are on our way to Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary. Remember, there is two road going. This road goes to Badli, but you have to take the left road, which goes to Jajjar and Farooq Nagar. Now we have reached Sultanpur National Park. On our left side, you can see it is Sultanpur National Park. Welcome to Sultanpur National Park, Haryana Forest Department. Today Bryan, her mom has also come with us.
Wait here, come.
What is that, baby?
Wait.
There is an interpretation center. Now we are actually entering the Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary site. Today I don't know why it is free. Usually it costs 5 rupees per person to enter in Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary. And if you have a car, they will charge you 10 rupees for the parking. You cannot bring any food inside. There is a watchtower inside Sultanpur National Park. It is a very good place because winters are coming on, and this is a perfect. While walking on your left side, you can see the water patches are here. Some facts about National Park. There is a bird house also here. Many places this thing is there. I don't know if you can see. There's a small bird there. A bull. For my son, it is a cow. In this national park, apart from birds, you can see bulls, cows are there. See, there is a bird which has a black head, black neck, but white body.
Yeah.
Wow, what a view of this lake. What an awesome view. There are lots of insects noise coming from here. Lots of migratory birds are there. See, there is a parrot. Another awesome view of Sultanpur National Park. You see the peacock's feather. Finally, we are on the tower, and I don't know if you can see, there are lots of deers are there. Spider web. See, there is a spider web here. He's running after his shadow. Some other migratory birds. We have decided to take this way, this road, which was going inside, much closer to the lake, to see what is there. Oh wow!
Look at the birds.
See. These are huge birds. Huge birds. Almost like 4 feet tall. Two huge birds. Birds are shouting. Pigeon. There is one pigeon. What is this? Chia.
The bedroom.